Now, opening this up, this is our Harry Potter magical capsule. This right here. Ended up finding it. I am your host, behind the camera, Redbeard the Hippie. Found the Harry Potter magical capsules. I'm very interested in seeing what these hold, if they are magical. So we shall start right here on this edge. I'm gonna rip this cool little thing off. Throw that out of there. That is cool. It's a Hogwarts with all the crests. That is straight up cool. Other side. Harry number 3, 2, 1. So in the first little compartment, we have what appears to be a sticker type thing. Oh, suppose if I turn it the right way. Hogwarts sticker. Anything else in there? Nope. Number 2. We have in 2. Okay. Now to the main compartment. Checklist. That's nice. Oh, this thing just keeps coming. Oh, there's something in there. Okay. The first one we have is okay, you can't see it very well. I'm gonna post a picture of this. It says bat spleen. Alright. It's Harry. Harry, you're a wizard. You better come with a broom. Okay. Next compartment. Some kind of wax. Broom care wax. This package. It is. Oh, sweet. It's Firebolt. Got his Firebolt. Looks so crappy. Looks like a little stand type thing. Harry on his stand. Ooh, I missed one. Let me make sure I open them all. And the golden snitch. Well, with these things, package is really awesome. I got a cool Harry Potter right there. I mean, look at the detail on that thing. That's the thing right there that you gotta have in a Harry Potter thing. You gotta have the scar. There's some Harry Potter toys out there that don't have the scar. It's got the firebolt. Got the glasses. He was a little grumpy for playing Quidditch. So, all in all, this one's really cool. I like it. I highly recommend it. And we got a couple more of these to open, and I think that's cool. I got Harry Potter the first try. Now if I can get the trio of 3.